Okay, we have another loan word in today's Master Azerbaijani word of the day, which is MEBEL. MEBEL. MEBEL is furniture or furnishings. Let's take a look at some phrases with the word MEBEL and then sentences. Phrases. To buy new furniture or home furnishings. Let's see. Yeni MEBEL almak. Yeni, new, almak, to buy, furniture, MEBEL. Do you see how the word order is different? Yeni MEBEL almak. Üçün MEBEL. Üçün technically means for home. Furniture for home, which is home furnishings. Okay? Now let's take a look at some sentences. First one. Səhərdən MEBEL mağazalarını gəzirdik. Nəhayət həm zövqümüzə, həm də büdcəmizə uyğun mükəmməl bir dəst tapdıq. Let's see. We had been browsing furniture stores since morning and finally found a perfect set that fits both our taste and our budget. Okay. Since morning, səhərdən. Literal translation, from morning, but obviously it means since morning. MEBEL mağazalarını gəzirdik. We had been browsing furniture store. MEBEL mağazaları, furniture stores. Gəzirdik had been browsing, walking, going in and out. That's what it's mean. Nəhayət, finally, həm zövqümüzə, both our taste, həm də büdcəmizə, and our budget, uyğun, that fits, mükəmməl, perfect, bir dəst, a set, tapdıq, we found. Now, wrap it up. Səhərdən MEBEL mağazalarını gəzirdik. We had been browsing furniture stores since morning. Nəhayət həm zövqümüzə, həm də büdcəmizə uyğun, mükəmməl bir dəst tapdıq. And finally found the perfect set that fits both our taste and our budget. Let's see another sentence. Kirayə evə MEBEL seçmək ən çətin iş oldu. Rahat və keyfiyyətli bir şey tapmaq üçün 100 dənə modelə baxdıq. Did you notice? I wrote modelə, but I said modelə. Spoken language difference. Same goes for keyfiyyətli. I wrote, but I said keyfiyyətli. I dropped the y. That's a set of y's you see over there in the word keyfiyyətli. Translation first. Choosing furniture for the rented apartment was the hardest part. We looked at 100 different models just to find something comfortable and high quality. Choosing furniture, MEBEL seçmək, where? For the rented apartment, Kirayə evə, ən çətin iş oldu, was the hardest part. In Azerbaijani version, you see iş is actually a job, work, the hardest work. But to make the sentence fitting the right way in English, it has to be choosing furniture for the rented apartment was the hardest part. Okay? Rahat və keyfiyyətli bir şey tapmaq üçün, to find something comfortable and high quality, 100 dənə modelə baxdıq. We looked at 100 different models. Model, it's a loan word. Now, that was today's word, MEBEL. I also have something else for you. My wallet starts crying the moment I whisper MEBEL. Now, I will introduce you another word tomorrow. However, if you would like to learn Azerbaijani step by step and get the foundation you need to build confidence in the language learning journey, I have Master Azerbaijani app that I have built, and it's available in App Store and Google Store. There's module 1 that is free and will give you that. And I highly recommend going over it. And if you can, go over and over it. Because remember, consistency builds the fluency. And also for deeper grammar, pronunciation, cultural, historical, and learning tips, I have masterazerbaijani.com for you, where I post blogs every 10 days. Feel free to check those out. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.